Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Friday the 28th of February. So just as a brief introduction, if you'd like to connect with us through our social media channels, the details are there up on the screen. Also, just to let you know of some of the products and services we make available to our traders every Monday and Thursday at 9 p.m. UK time. We do have approximately a 30-minute webinar, which is useful for two major purposes. Firstly, to understand what's going on the bigger time frames, look at the fundamentals, the sentiment and the technicals behind some of the largest liquid markets in the world. So that is every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. But it's also excellent preparation for trading the following day, because we discuss some high probability trades to be looking at to build into a part of your trading plan. So it's a really useful webinar. Also, we have our signal service available, which gives you all details about the trade, the explanation why we get into it, and also a chart as well, just to showing the actual technical setup as well. And then this Trade Watch video goes out to our traders before it goes onto a website and goes public. So it is useful to get access to this webinar beforehand for our members. Then every Thursday at 8 p.m. we have our trading mentorship webinar. So if you do want more information on any of the products and services we have available, just go to the website www.thelivetraderoom.com. We have very affordable membership options from as little as $19.99 US per calendar month. So hopefully you'll find that very good value. Please see our risk warning currently up on screen. And let's get straight in to discuss some high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So really, it's just looking at some of these markets. We'll start with the S&P, but you could equally apply it to the NASDAQ, the FTSE, and the Eurostock. So, in fact, these prices are beginning to break through these levels as we speak. So what we're looking for, and to just explain what's happened, we've had this market gap to the downside at the beginning of the week, and it's just, you're probably very familiar. We've been selling it on a few occasions, making some decent returns on those trades. But we're now down. We're below the 3,000 level. We're below the 200 period moving average. We're below significant levels of potential support. So really, as price is moving lower, we'd expect it to continue lower. There's very little reason to suggest anything else apart from opportunities to sell. So we're looking at this market below the 29.53, and the same situation really with oil. It's just continuation of the move. One thing to bear in mind, the last day of the trading month can be a bit of an odd month sometimes. It could be a little bit choppy. There'd be a little bit of sort of reconciliation at the end of the month. So bear that in mind. But certainly early next week should be quite explosive as well. And in terms of the oil markets to the downside, we're looking for this market to continue lower below the 45.71. So those are a couple of high probability trades to keep an eye on. That does conclude today's Daily Trade Watch video. You can connect with us through our social media channels currently up on screen. And if you are interested in our Capital Growth Live Trade Room or Signal service, or receiving this Daily Trade Watch video first, or accessing our trading mentorship webinars, then just simply go to a website, www.thelivetraderoom.com, for more information. And do feel free to contact us, and I'm sure someone will get back to you pretty quickly. So look, thanks very much for joining us as always. Have a great weekend, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.